Hello friends, let's see one more database scenario. It is very simple but very powerful. This kind of scenarios we come across our day-to-day life. So let me share my screen for that. So the input is very simple. It's employees and their corresponding departments. So what's the expected output is for each department? We need a list of employees for that each department. So just we need to rearrange the employees and department information to the department information, right? So for that, I need to first, if you see this kind of expert output, right? What we identified is we need to group the employees based on the department. So the appropriate operator first applies the group by operator, right? So payload group by, just naming as a emp dot department, right? Now we got employees based on department. Now I don't need the department actually. Already we are grouped according to HR department. Just I need a name of the employee inside the department. So to iterate over this object, I use the map object operator, map object, and in the map object, so my HR is the department that is inside the key actually, right? So key and the names are there in the value side. Value dot name, right? See, HR, Ravi, IT, Anita, and Suresh. So that's it. Very simple and powerful. Please practice as much as you can so that you can expert this data. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in other data scenario.